Alright, so the truck is up for sale. It's Saturday. It's raining. As you can see, we got all the sticky stuff off. Same thing with the other side. We got the truck cleaned up. But like I said, I clean the truck and then it rains. Big thanks to my brother. He helped me a lot with getting the sticky residue from those, whatever they are, like bumper guards or something for the doors and stuff. Here's how it came out. Pretty clean truck, right? My phone has been blowing up. I put it up for $47.50, and I wanted to clarify the numbers. I have $6,300 and change into this truck. That is no joke. And I put it up for $47.50, so I need to get as close to that $47.50 mark as possible, because we are going to lose, we're going to lose some money on this one. But, that's okay. That's all right. I'm not too upset. But here she is. I think it's pretty clean. I like it. I'm happy with it. I think the new owners are going to be happy with it. I'm going to shut her down, and let's see if we can sell it. All right, so this was going to be a two-part series once we sold the truck, but the truck sold to the first person that came and looked at it. Had several calls, and a lot of people were offering me between $4,000 and $4,200 for it. So the first person that came with $4,200 cash, I let get it. Now, we had invested $6,352.96. We sold it for $4,200. That left a loss of $2,152.96. So yeah, lost a lot of money on that one, but I knew when I bid on the truck I was going to lose money. I mean, the minute I bought the truck, I knew this was going to lose money if I ever decided to resell it. I'm not worried about it. I don't really care. Like I've mentioned several times, YouTube covers the difference. So this is fun. Not to say I don't like making a profit. That's something I need to get back into. We need to really start making a profit on some of these cars. So that's it for the video. The truck is done. I still have the bed to sell, the tailgate to sell. I have the headlights to sell, the corner lights to sell, the tail lights to sell, the door possibly. I don't know if anybody will want it, but I mean, if nothing else, it's scrap metal. I still have the original tires off the truck to sell, the factory intake airbox off the truck to sell. Like, there's still a lot of parts that could bring some pretty decent money and help cut this loss down. But for now, as of the making of this video, we lost $2,152.96, and I call that a good day. Hey, I had fun doing this with my brother. I had fun sharing this experience with you guys. So thank you for following along. We got to go find something else. Let's get back into the game, find something else to work on, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you like this content, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I do read all the comments, although I don't get an opportunity to answer all of them. I still appreciate the comments and the likes. And if you don't like the video, give it a thumbs up anyway. Stay safe out there, guys. I will catch you in the next one.